Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Now I have a spreadsheet created with my leads data. I have thousands of leads added in that spreadsheet. I want that all the leads whose details I've added in Google Sheets should automatically be created as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. But if I'm going to start doing all the details manually, I am definitely going to enter the wrong data, or I will miss out on some of the leads or duplicate the entries. So instead of entering the details manually or giving this not very important task to somebody and they should waste their time instead of focusing on other greater aspects of business, if you are also struggling with entering the records of your leads in GoHighLevel, you automatically want to bulk update and upload the contacts from your Google Sheets to GoHighLevel, then my suggestion to all of you is to create the setup that I will teach you in this video. Without wasting any more of our time, let's create the setup that is automatically going to upload bulk contacts into your GoHighLevel account. So let's dive with this amazing automation. Now to create this automation, I have tested so many automation tools, but the most easiest, affordable and amazing automation tool that I am using is Pabbly Connect. Instead of going to other tools, paying more cost, having problems, start using this amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab. Search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time inside Pabbly Connect, sign up for free from here. You can test out this automation that I'm teaching you in this video absolutely for free without paying any cost, because if you're logging in for the first time, signing up for free, you will receive 100 free tasks every single month to test out the features of Pabbly Connect. And then if you like using Pabbly Connect and you love how the system works, you can purchase their yearly or one-time plans. I have purchased their one-time plans. It is my choice because I just needed to pay once and I got the access of Pabbly Connect forever. That is what you should do as well. Purchase their one-time plans. There are already amazing discounts on all the plans that you have inside Pabbly Connect. If you want additional discounts, my code is going to get the most amazing discounts on the purchase. The code is on the left side. The same code is in the description section. Go ahead and use it. Purchase their plan, automate your business workflows. Now to create the setup, I have already created this template. If you want the free template that I am using for this video and to teach you, check out the same template in the description section. Use it. Create the connection with me right away. Automate your business workflows. Now my trigger is Google Sheets, new or updated spreadsheet row. I want that to all the contacts whose details is added in Google Sheets. All the contacts should be created in my GoHighLevel account. So what I'll do is, for all of you, in front of you, I'm deleting all the contacts right here. Why? So that you will see how all the contacts are automatically created. Okay. So you will see now my GoHighLevel account will have no contact. So now I am going to create a new contact of my leads from the Google Sheets. So now we have to connect our Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL, open this spreadsheet, go to extensions, add-on, get add-ons option. You will come to this video on which on the search apps bar, search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this application. Install it, refresh the page. Now you will see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, from which select the option of initial setup. The dialog box of this initial setup will appear in front of you, where it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. Webhook URL, paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided you. Trigger column is the last data column where the data is going to be added. So this D is the last data column in the spreadsheet where the phone number of my lead will be added. And then simply I've entered D, click on this submit button. I've already added the details of a new lead in the spreadsheet. So I'm going to send this first leads data towards this URL. For that, first go back to workflow and click on the recapture button. It says waiting for webhook response. Now click on the send test data button. That will forward the first leads data towards this webhook URL instantly. And you will see automatically within 4-5 seconds, the response of the same lead is going to be captured. Before we tally the response, one last step is left. Now, if your requirement is that if in the spreadsheet in future I'm adding the new leads data, you want that new leads data should be also created as a contact in Google Sheets. So we need to instantly share that new leads data towards the URL. For that, inside Pabbly Connect webhooks, toggle the button on of the send on event, and instantly whenever you will add in the new leads data, that lead data will be forwarded towards this URL. Now let's study the response. Name is test sample, email is test.sample@pabblytunes.com with his phone number. And if I'm going to go back to my workflow, test.sample@pabblytunes.com with the same phone number has been captured in the response. This means that Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's add this person as a contact inside my GoHighLevel account. First, create this first person as the contact, and then later on I'll show you how in bulk you can do this exact step. Okay. Over here, the action application is not GoHighLevel, it's Lead Connector V2, which is GoHighLevel only. Create contact, go to the connect option, go to add new connection, click on this connect with Lead Connector V2 button. Now after that, it is going to ask for the permission for your account to connect to Pabbly Connect. This is a safe process, so give the access without even worrying. Select the account that you want to connect to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select this account from here. And as soon as you will do that, automatically the connection is going to be created. Now for the contact details, we are going to map the data. Mapping is the process where you are going to enter the data from the previous step. Add a slash previous step is going to appear. This is the first name of my lead that I'm going to create as a contact in my GoHighLevel account. So I'll select the data from my previous response, which will make this data mapped. And as now this data is mapped, this data is now dynamic. In simple words, whenever the new leads data will be captured in the previous step, the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map in all the details right over here. Like for the full name, I'll map the data of the full name, first name space, the last name right here. Then it is asking for the email address. I'll map the data of the email address. For the phone number, I'll map the data of the phone number that I've received. It is asking for other details which I do not want and I don't have as well, so I'll skip the part. And simply then what I'll do is I'll just check all the details whether I require something or not. Okay, so I've entered all the required details. Now I'm going to click on this Save Inside Test Request button, and you will see automatically you have received the contact ID. If I refresh this contacts page in front of you, you will see a new contact of test sample is going to be created inside my GoHighLevel account. So I'll wait for it to load. You can see the contact test sample with the email address as test.sample@pabblytunes.com with the same phone number. So you can see all the details. As now the contact is created, this means the connection between these two applications is now completed. As now this connection is completed, now let's bulk add all these contacts inside my GoHighLevel account. You'll see still in my contacts page, there is only one contact created. Now how to bulk upload the contacts? Go to extensions. In the same spreadsheet, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, click on the send all data option. The workflow is going to run for all the contacts one by one, and all the contacts are going to be updated in front of you in your GoHighLevel account. I have given it 10-15 seconds. So if I'll refresh the page, you will see all the new contacts one by one is going to be uploaded inside your GoHighLevel account. If the page is refreshed, you can see all the new contacts is added successfully. This means this entire setup is working. Now, remember, first create the connection for one person. Then click on the send on data option, test send all data option, and bulk contacts will be uploaded in GoHighLevel. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to this connection that I've taught you in this video, comment down below. I'll reply to all your queries. Purchase your lifetime plans with the additional discount using the code on the left side of my screen. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.